Welcome to our channel. Today, we have something special prepared for you. An ancient and incredibly powerful egg spell to attract wealth into your home. If you're interested in the art of magic and the mysteries of enigmatic rituals, you've come to the right place. With this spell, you can draw financial prosperity and abundance into your life. Remember, magic requires respect and belief. So let's begin this captivating ritual and learn how to make your life richer and more harmonious. To invite money into your home, there is an ancient and highly effective egg spell. This spell must be recited over a hard-boiled brown egg with speckles, known as a hen's egg. You shouldn't buy this egg from a store but rather acquire it from a local market. Purchase not just one but a dozen, preferably from a rural source. Pay without haggling, and if you receive any change, leave it with the vendor. Once you're back home, select an egg with uneven coloring and some speckles on the shell. These are the ones you need for the spell. To ensure the spell for wealth works successfully, rub the egg with sunflower oil, preferably scented, from the first pressing. Then roll it in coarse flour, though regular flour will suffice. Wrap the egg in sturdy paper or a clean linen handkerchief. Hold the wrapped egg in your left hand and place your right hand on your heart, then recite the spell over the egg. I will go out of doors through the doors. Out of gates through the gates. Away from my home, away from my city. To seek my fortune. By unknown paths, by winding ways. In all four directions. I will go, not looking back. My hidden fortune awaits me. Deep and secure, not to be found. Not in a strong chest. Not in a secret hiding place. Not behind heavy doors. My fortune is hidden behind a delicate shell. In a chicken's egg. May I find it unbroken. Not shattered. Not lost on the way. Not given to anyone else. I will carry eggs to the hens. And raise chicks. While I live in wealth. Then unwrap the egg, rinse it in 3 waters, and place it on the stove to boil. The egg must be boiled hard, otherwise, your financial spell won't work. Boil it for no less than 12 minutes. Once the egg is boiled, place it on a windowsill facing the sunny side and let it cool completely. Carefully peel the cooled egg to avoid shell fragments cutting the white. It's best to do this by rolling the egg on the table. Dispose of all the shell. Start by eating all the egg white, leaving the yolk in your hands. Then consume the yolk. Do not add salt, and especially, do not consume the egg with mayonnaise. While eating the egg, recite silently. Wealth and friendship. Gather, twine. Bring me wealth from the chicken's egg. Before bedtime, recite the Lord's Prayer 9 times. Remember that performing this spell requires respect and a sincere intention to attract wealth into your home. Thank you for joining us in this fascinating ritual. We hope that this ancient egg spell will bring you not only material wealth but also harmony in your life. Keep in mind that magic is not just a tool but also an art that requires careful preparation and belief. Follow the instructions, and your intention will be successfully realized. If you enjoyed this ritual and want to learn more about magical practices, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on new mysterious rituals and advice. May wealth and harmony always accompany you on this fascinating journey of life. Until next time, dear friends.